morning to all my awesome friends and family. Just wanted to share with you a very big disappointment today. I've had 4,000 watch hours for the last 2 days. I came in here today to click on and make our celebration video. To my surprise, I now only have 3.9. Oh my gosh, the celebration will have to wait. So sorry to say. I don't know for sure what happened. I thought about it and thought about it. I'm not quite sure what it could have caused it to go down. I have 83.1 views for November 22nd. That is the time that this is for, by my channel analysis. And I have 880 followers that are new for this year. Oh my gosh, I don't know what happened. We'll go back and look at what I did have, and now it's disappeared. Well, all I can figure is I do occasionally put my grandchildren and great-grandchildren in some of my videos. And I do miniature gardening and fairy gardens. That is the only thing that I could think that would cause this problem. So no celebration, I'm sorry to say, today. All we can do is work harder, and hopefully we'll make it by the end of November. I was so sad. I would thought for sure we would have it. I didn't even get overly excited the first day, but when it was the second day still with 4,000 watch hours, I said, oh, I'm still putting up content. It's got to be fine. I know I've got it now. And that's when I announced that we were going to have a big celebration. Oh no, Grandma got a little too excited a little too soon. Now you're going to see that I actually did get 4,000 watch hours. I'll show you a little bit of that video. But let's don't be too sad. This has happened before on my channel. This is the second time that I've lost watch hours. The last time I lost like 300. So let's don't get too sad. We're just going to deal with it. There's nothing we can do, and when you can do nothing about it, you just have to move on and think positive and keep working towards your goal. My goal is to make 4,000 watch hours, hopefully this month or this calendar year. We will keep working. We're not going to let this discourage us. We have lots of great friendships built over these years, and that's what I should be focusing on more than anything else. All of you that have made my life so kind and given me so much joy. So, let's keep working. I'll keep putting videos up, and hopefully you'll keep coming back and watching. I'm so close. We just barely have to make it over the top now. It is the hardest to get over that little peak. We can't be over depressed. We've got to work towards it. Depression and feeling sorry for ourselves gets us nowhere. We need to work. Work, work, work. Please finish watching my videos from the beginning to the end, for I can make it over that little peak that keeps getting out of my reach. Now I'm going to show you that I did make 4,000 watch hours for 2 days. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad about that. Oh, stop it. Stop feeling sad. We're going to make it. Okay, here I'm going to show you now. Oh, I was so happy when I made the 4,000 watch hours. And I kept it going 2 days, and I thought, well, 2 days, it's still there. Let's go ahead and give a giant shout out all to you guys that we finally made it with all of your help watching the videos from the beginning to the end. Sad to say, you guys are going to have to help me a little few more days. I hate to say that, because I know you guys have worked so hard, and now we have Thanksgiving. I wouldn't be concerning yourselves before Thanksgiving. Go have a great time. You have meals to prepare for your family.
and you have a lot of activities. But once we get through Thanksgiving, can you please try to watch my videos from the beginning to the end? Hopefully just a few more days and we'll be back up to the 4,000 watch hours. So hopefully they don't find any more problems they don't like on my channel to take more stuff away. Thank you guys so much for all your help to get me where I am. I love you all so. You've been such great followers and so supportive of my channel. I know how hard it can be for all of us. So take heed, this could happen to you too. So please try to be careful what you're putting up and what kind of content you're doing. I'm still never quite sure what content they're looking for and what is going to cause us a problem. You know I do miniature gardening, fairy gardens. It could have been that. It could be a lot of things. But I do keep a positive channel, so that was the only thing that was worrying me is I don't have a channel that's got a lot of issues. I don't have copyright problems because I only use the photos and pictures that I take myself. And I only use music that is iMovie, and that's it. But as you can see, I still have had a lot of problems. But hopefully these problems are behind me now. They have taken my watch time away. I'm going to try to be more careful in the future. We are also going to be starting a new channel that we are going to make as pure as we can to keep problems off of it. Anything that I want to do or anything I'm interested in, I will keep putting up on this channel. This channel's already a mess. What else can they do to me? They can, I guess they could do a lot. They could just cut me off altogether, but I'm not worrying about that either. Anyway, I try to keep a really positive channel, a happy channel, and the other channel will be the same way. It's just going to be strictly home decor and DIYs for the home decor, so they should stay all in one lane.